So we're done with that one. Boom. Next one, select pulls all the data from all the fields in a table. So to pull all the data from all the fields in a table, select. Oh, we didn't do select up here. How do we select records? It's select. So select records. Select is select something here, right? This could be an operator like star, or it could be a field or fields separated by commas, from, and then table, semicolon. That's the syntax. So select star from customers. I'm just checking to make sure that's the name of my table. So that selects all the records, all the fields of all the records. So I'm done with that assignment. Done. Next one, distinct. So maybe if I had additional Jameses in there, so I'm going to do insert into customers, and then CID. Oh, I did customer. Customer ID, customer first, values, and I've got 4. I'm going to do James again. And then 5, we're going to do Jennifer. So now if I do a select star from, I've got 2 James and 2 Jennifers. And it says do distinct, and that's page 115 in the textbook's an example. So I flipped to 115 in the printed book. If you have a digital book, I don't know if it's the same. And it says select distinct. Select distinct customer first from customers. And I got Jennifer James Q. How would I have added in customer ID? Spirit of exploration and adventure. Select customer ID, distinct. I don't know if this is how you do it. I really don't. Customer first from customers. And it doesn't like that, right? Wonder if there's another way to do it. This worked. And what about if I did this? Customer ID. That works. So distinct works at the front, but it doesn't work there. So I have to have distinct. Oh, but I didn't get distinct. Right? Because I got James, James, Jennifer, Jennifer, Q. So I'm not sure how I do multiple distincts. That's one field distinct. So I'm just looking in the book to see if there's other distinct examples. And the distinct examples that I see so far in the book are just one field.
Can you place customer ID and then after customer ID another distinct and then column?
Okay, so maybe let's try that. I like that. Distinct. Oh, just have distinct at the front. Right. Customer. I thought it had to be on. Nope. Right, so spirit of adventure and exploration, just select SQL, select multiple fields with distinct. SQL select with distinct on multiple columns. Fields columns, same thing. So we have where agent, distinct agent code ORed from where. That doesn't do any good.
It also says in the book that there's instructions in the introduction.
Instructions in the introduction?
Yeah. Load the samples into your computer on page 113.
Oh, well, we don't want to load the samples. We're creating our own tables. What else can I do is I can look up Postgres SQL documentation. And here's the documentation for 10. And current is 10. And what is Postgres? Brief history, conventions, further information, tutorial, the SQL language, SQL syntax, Command F, distinct, nothing, right? So maybe I could search the documentation up here. Distinct. And select distinct on. Interesting. And documentation 10, select list, alter table. We'll go with this one and take a look. Command F, distinct. Eliminates duplicate rows. Select distinct on. Eliminates rows that match on all the specified expressions. Select all. The default will return the candidate rows, including duplicates. See distinct clause below. The noise word distinct can be added to explicitly eliminate duplicates. Notice that distinct is the default. Let's go down to this. If select distinct is specified, all duplicate rows are removed from the results set. One row is kept from each group of duplicates. Select all specifies the opposite. All rows are kept. That is the default. Select distinct on keeps only the first row of each set of rows, where the first row of each set of rows where the given expressions evaluate to equal. The distinct on expressions are interpreted using the same rules as for order by. Note that the first row of each set is unpredictable unless order by is used to ensure. Select distinct on location, location time, distinct on, distinct. Select union clause. All right, I don't know if we have an answer for that yet. But always interesting to dig around. So that was experimenting with select distinct. So far, this is all we know. Select distinct, customer first, from customers. That's all the textbooks covered. That's all I know.